Every sales assistant has come across this situation. The client likes something, but the right size isn't available in store, but it's in stock in the warehouse. This is where the TOUGHBOOK L1 can help. The order goes straight into the system and creates an item ready to be picked from your logistic hub. TOUGHBOOK L1 is not only water and dust proof, but even drop resistant. It's also the perfect device for courier services. With its daylight readable display and optional vehicle docking solutions, TOUGHBOOK gives you access to all information anytime, anywhere. TOUGHBOOK L1 makes not only users happy, but also brings a smile to your customer.